Welcome back everyone. In the previous videos, we covered the basic usage and syntax of Nmap commands and the different scan techniques that Nmap can perform. In this video, we're going to dive into some more advanced scanning techniques including OS detection, version detection and some other techniques. As always, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to stay with us. Starting with OS detection, Nmap can detect the operating system of a target host with its OS detection feature. This feature is useful for identifying the specific operating system and its version running on a target host. To perform an OS detection, we use -o in our scan command. Let's scan our target 10.20.32.203 to see what information that Nmap can find. This scan takes time as it performs scan using all ports. You can speed up the scan using the F argument which limit the number of ports. As you can see in the output, Nmap failed to guess the OS. Don't panic. If Nmap is unable to match an OS, we can force it to guess the OS by modifying the command. Let's try it. Now Nmap gives a list of guessed operating systems. But in this case, the correct one is not on the list as my target is running a Windows server, so keep in mind that there are always other ways to try. Next, we have version detection. Nmap's version detection feature can identify the version numbers of various services running on a target host, such as the web server, FTP server, and others. By obtaining the version details of our target, we can search for any vulnerabilities associated with those. In a separate video, I will discuss and show you how we can find and use existing vulnerabilities. Now let's scan our target to see what details that Nmap can find. To perform a version detection, we use -V in our scan command. You can see that Nmap gives version details about all services running on the target. Also you can see that here it mentioned some details about the target which we were unable to get from our previous scan. In addition to these advanced scanning techniques, Nmap also offers several other types of scans, including the aggressive scan, the idle scan, and the RPC scan. The aggressive scan is a combination of various scans and is useful for quickly gathering information about a target host. You can use the -a argument to perform an aggressive scan. In the aggressive mode, Nmap performs OS detection, version detection, script scanning, and tracert in a single run. Let's do a demonstration to see what Nmap can offer with this scan. As you can see, Nmap gives version details of all the services using version scan. Trying to grab OS details using OS detection. Grab host details via a script scan, and a tracer to identify the route to the target. The idle scan is used to scan a target host without any communication between the source and the target system. This scan is performed through a zombie host. We will see the scan with more details in an upcoming video. Finally, the RPC scan is used to detect remote procedure call (RPC) services on the target host. So, these are the more advanced scanning techniques that Nmap has to offer. By using these techniques, you can gather more detailed information about your target hosts and services. In conclusion, Nmap is a powerful and versatile tool that can be used for various network reconnaissance and security tasks. Whether you're a network administrator, a penetration tester, or a security researcher, Nmap is a tool that should be in your toolkit. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.